Hello and welcome to the official JoomUnited channel. In this video, we'll show you how to connect WP Media Folder with Bunny Storage to automatically offload your media files and boost your site's speed. You'll learn how to set it up step by step. And don't worry, no technical skills required. Let's get started. Curious about what Bunny Storage is and why it's a powerful enhancement for offloading your WordPress media folder? Bunny Storage offers a fast, scalable cloud storage solution accelerated by a content delivery network, CDN, making it ideal for managing media files efficiently. You should consider it for media folder offload to reduce server load, enhance site speed, and save costs with pricing as low as $0.01 per gigabyte. Compared to other storage options like Amazon S3 or DigitalOcean Spaces, Bunny Storage stands out with its user-friendly interface, lower costs, and global replication across up to 9 regions, delivering up to 5 times faster download speeds. Let's explore how to integrate this powerful solution with WP Media Folder to optimize your site's performance. Once you've registered your Bunny Storage account and set up your storage zone, it functions much like other online storage solutions, such as Google Drive, Amazon S3, or Cloudflare. In the File Manager, you'll discover FTP and API access options. Here, you'll find your username, hostname, and password, which are essential for connecting Bunny Storage to your WordPress site. The step-by-step connection process is detailed in the plugin documentation, available on the JoomUnited website or quickly accessible from your plugin settings. If you're new to WordPress and need guidance on obtaining your API key or credentials, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll create a dedicated video to walk you through those steps and ensure your plugin works flawlessly as intended. Now, with your Bunny Storage successfully linked to WordPress, you'll see the storage zone listed below. Before we explore other features and benefits of using Bunny Storage for media offload, let's review the settings. 3 options directly impact your offload performance. Enabling the Copy to Bunny Storage feature means every file you upload to your library automatically transfers to your Bunny Storage bucket. When used on the front end, the file loads from Bunny Storage instead of your local server. Reducing strain, especially beneficial for shop pages or galleries with heavy media, where large file counts can slow loading and hurt customer experience, ultimately affecting your business potential. The Remove After Upload option pairs perfectly with Copy to Bunny Storage. As the name suggests, once files are copied, the originals are deleted from your local storage, further boosting server performance and keeping your files organized without duplicates scattered around. If you prefer keeping a local copy, but want to avoid checking file routes constantly, the Attachment Label option adds a marker to Bunny files, clearly distinguishing them from local ones for easier management. With synchronization running smoothly in the background and the Copy to Bunny Storage option enabled, every file you upload to your WordPress Media Library is automatically copied to Bunny Storage. Naturally, it works both ways. Uploading a file or folder to Bunny Storage syncs it seamlessly to your WordPress Media Library without any manual intervention. You can also utilize all these media files on your front-end pages. As noted earlier, files displayed on your front-end are retrieved from Bunny Storage servers, easing the load on your local storage. Plus, if you're using the Media Folder plugin, it offers a variety of themes for your media files, which you can customize to align perfectly with your website's design. That was a quick overview of how synchronization works. Now let me guide you through a detailed, practical application of Bunny Storage Offload with the Media Folder plugin structure. With Media Folder, you can effortlessly organize media on your WordPress site using an unlimited folder and subfolder system. Once Bunny Storage is integrated with Media Folder, this same structure carries over to your offloaded media as well. Take a look at my local setup, where folders are arranged into a root folder and subfolders, each holding various media files like images, videos, and PDFs. Beneath that, you'll find the Bunny Storage Offload, named based on the storage bucket I set up in the Bunny Storage dashboard. This section mirrors the same folder and subfolder layout. I can easily create a new folder here, rename it to something like Project Files, assign a different color for quick identification, And if it doesn't fit, simply click and drag it to another location, perhaps making it a subfolder under a new root folder. Then I can upload media files to it. Down the line, with a growing collection of files, advanced filtering and sorting come in handy to swiftly locate the exact file I need, whether by media type, date, size, or file weight. This makes Bunny Storage feel like an extension of your local files, far beyond a typical third-party plugin. Naturally, all files uploaded here sync instantly to the Bunny Storage dashboard, thanks to real-time synchronization, maximizing your storage efficiency. Offloading reduces your server's storage load, freeing up space and lowering hosting costs, which is ideal for sites with large media libraries. Bunny Storage's global CDN delivers media up to 5 times faster than traditional hosting, ensuring visitors enjoy quick load times, no matter their location. It also enhances site reliability with automatic backups on Bunny's servers, protecting your files from loss. Plus, the real-time sync keeps your media consistent across platforms, simplifying management. This combination boosts performance and user satisfaction. To wrap up, offloading with Bunny Storage transforms your WordPress site into a faster, more reliable platform. The Media Folder plugin is offered at $49, while the $69 bundle includes all add-ons, such as the Cloud add-on we explored in this video. This bundle covers not only Bunny Storage, but also multiple other storage services. Additionally, it features the Photographer add-on for efficient album management. By using WP Media Folder and Bunny Storage together, you've learned how to offload media, improve performance, reduce hosting costs, and keep your WordPress media library fully in sync. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. Want to try it yourself? Check out the link in the description to get access to WP Media Folder and the Cloud add-on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.